Blackstone Motors, we work a lot with Drogheda Town FC and Dundalk FC, so it's really nice to bring the guys from Drogheda Town to Dundalk today to work with Stephen Kenny, see the pitch and test out the new facilities. It's been a great day and we're delighted to be here.
We're delighted to have Drogheda Town under-17s here. I mean, they're at Oriel Park. I think they're playing in the cup final now coming up, and we wish them the best of luck. I know it's great for Blackstone Motors organising all of this, and it's a good relationship between the clubs, and you know, we certainly wish them well in the cup final.